some errors. So we need to review about your class and your introduction. Please, if anyone is available for introduction yourself or from giving your review about classes and training session. So I will allow you one by one. I will take just 5 to 10 minutes. Then I will move to next class. So if you please available about comments and review and about training session and about your introduction. Because we are working from 4 to 6 day as unknown. I don't know who are you and you don't know me. Who is I? And so it is better we also introduce yourself with me and with your colleagues and other participants. Okay. So the first participant is Ali. Okay, I open your mic.
Assalamu alaikum,
Walaikum salam.
Dr. Saab. I'm Ahmed from Pakistan, but I'm now in China doing my postdoctorate, and I recently graduated with a PhD in crop breeding and genetics. And I really enjoyed the class. I was really curious to learn the R, especially the data plotting, because it's very important for data. So I really enjoyed the class, and I'm enjoying the class.
Inshallah, you will be
I'm very
enjoying because
excited about this opportunity.
are at a very basic stage, and day by day you will get more and more. And after before completion this training, you will feel proud of you have learned a lot of about R programming.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir. And the most important thing is that you're teaching. If we have any problem and you like spoon feed it the knowledge to us, and we can easily get it. So I'm really enjoying this, and I hope we will at advanced level we will learn more and more from this class. And I want to learn about how to perform GWAS and the QTL mapping analysis and using the R script, because R is a very dynamic application. Just need learning is very important.
Yes,
If someone
it's
needed learn it,
similarly as
he can progress by himself
yes,
after
yes,
it.
yes.
But the
I
basic learning is important.
okay. I want to give an example of like our driving, and I will give this example to
Yes.
every batch. R is like a car driving. When you want to learn driving, and if you start learning first day, second, and fourth day, after when you expert in driving of car, you can drive it in anywhere where you want to drive. So similarly, when you want to learn R, you need to learn its driving, that is reading, writing, editing. So if you have learned reading, writing, and editing, you can do a lot of things in R.
Yes, thank you so much, sir,
Okay.
for your
Thank you.
supporting
Okay,
teaching method, and I hope I can learn a lot this class. Thank you.
sir. Okay, sir. Yes, Rahim, you can leave. Iftihar Ahmed Rana, can you share your views and your introduction?
Please open. Okay, thank you, sir. This is very excellent and dynamic class, sir. I
Thank
really
you, sir.
appreciate your teaching process. So I think it is a very, very interactive training program as far I know. So as early career, I think it is a very good opportunity for me to learn R. Previously, I have few knowledge regarding the R, but I have no special idea or special knowledge regarding the plot box or another analysis. So I think I can learn more and more from your training class.
Hope inshallah you will
Thank you
learn
so
more
much,
and
sir,
more.
for your
Okay.
kind
Welcome,
teaching.
sir. Welcome. Next is Kasimbo Pater. Are you available, please? Kasambu Petter, are you available? Okay. Muajbina.
Hello, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Please introduce yourself.
Sir, I really want to appreciate you. I'm sorry. My name is Mahjabina. I'm from Pakistan now. I have my one master degree in technology from College for Women University, and now I am in Chongqing University, China. This is my second master, and my research work in cancer genomic, colorectal cancer. I am working recently on learning is the basic thing, although I know about bioinformatics, but R is the basic thing. So I think this is a need of time. So that's why I am really enjoying and appreciate you. I enjoy
Thank you.
your classes.
Please,
And
if you have,
hopefully
if
we
you
will.
face any type of issue, you can message me, call me, any type. Okay, thank you, Mojbina. Next, I want to invite Dr. Spirio Ghosh.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, madam.
As far as um, okay.
Okay, thank you. Next, I want to invite Dr. Spirio Ghosh. Are you available, sir?
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes. I am Dr. Supriya Ghosh from Bangladesh. I am a senior scientist of Bangladesh Agricultural Research Institute. I have finished my PhD from Beijing Chinese Academy of Agricultural Science in crop genetics and breeding.
Great, sir.
And I am highly impressed by your teaching style. Previously, I watched some YouTube video, but it is very difficult for me to understand. But your teaching style is excellent.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
I am really impressed, and I suggest everyone. Yes.
Thanks, sir.
I suggest everyone to make some free class for them, and if they watch your teaching style, I am 100% sure they will be impressed by your teaching style. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, sir. Thank you. I have take your time. Okay. Now, we in our next classes, when you find time, we will introduce with the remaining participant, and hope we will enjoy all participant. We will learn and share different type of informations like about data science and dendrogram graphs and other things used in data analysis. Thanks a lot. Allah Hafiz.